cool mango and sapota trees for you. Please hit the thumbs up button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Nom nom, mangoes are my favorite fruit in the world and I love them. Guys, every year I wait for the mango season to come so I can eat yummy mangoes. Hi friends. Hello. We are looking at the mangoes. Look at this baby mango. Nice baby mango. We don't like green mangoes, but we do like yellow or orange mangoes. So, like these. Come on, guys. Let's see the mango flowers now. Oh, this is a mango flower. This mango flower is cool and flowers are falling out. Let's go that side, the other side of the tree. Somebody take that mango! Yeah, throw that out. So big mangoes that were not even ripened. It's so big. I'm under the leaves. I don't think I can see in there. If we take a mango out of the tree, white milk like that will come out. And then, if you touch the milk, you'll get rashes. So don't touch it. See those big mango trees? They're so cool. Guys, now I'm going to introduce the big mango tree. I think it's like 150 to 200 years old. That's why it looks so big. Whoa. Even a baby can pick a mango from this tree. The tree is that down to earth. This tree was planted by my great-grandfathers. Guys, just listen carefully. Listen how the birds are chirping. They're chirping so sweet and they're enjoying the nature. And look at how much mangoes there are. We picked so many mangoes from that tree. Because it was like so many years old, we get to pick so many mangoes. Wow. Look at all those mangoes. These mangoes are very sweet. I love them. And look at how many mangoes are falling. Oh, look at those mangoes that's falling down. Those others. And, oh, look at in there. Oh, that's kind of high on the tree. Whoa. That tree looks bigger. Whoa, it's me reaching some mangoes. That's when I was 2 years old. And there's me looking at some mangoes. Now you can see my grandfather holding me up there on the mangoes. Guys, look at those bunch of mangoes. They're so small and they're piled up. Look at how small they are. Oh, it's my sister picking up that mango. Oh, another bunch of mangoes are there. Look at those. Some are big and some are small. Now let's take a look at the sapota tree. Hey guys, this is the sapota tree. You see how many sapotas it has. No, it's sapota. And this is a sapota leaf. I don't think it does have tiny teeny dots like the sapota.
spider webs on there all the tree.
Please hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye guys.